The climate is fucked. Humans have just spent 150 years emitting carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The good news is that we're now starting to take some of this carbon back out of the atmosphere thanks to carbon offsets and removals. The voluntary carbon offset market is seeing record growth. It's doubled over the past 2 years and is set to be worth over $200 billion by 2050. That's why I started CarbonCroc with Paul, my co-founder, who I met at the École 42. CarbonCroc allows for a seamless integration of carbon removals into any product or service, connecting high-quality suppliers with buyers. We know that brands are already losing time and money trying to green their business without the proper know-how. Our solution? We empower e-commerce stores to measure and neutralize in real time the environmental impact of every product they sell. What Stripe did to payments, CarbonCroc is doing to sustainability. Our business model is simple. We make money every time a product is offset. So you know that there's just a little bit of self-interest in our goal to remove millions of tons of carbon from the atmosphere every single year. Having just built an MVP, we've already removed the environmental impact of over 100,000 products worth over $500,000 GMV. And this is just the beginning, because we will stop at nothing to take a crocodile-sized bite out of the climate crisis. CarbonCroc is the future of sustainability as a service. We would love for you to join us on this journey to carbon neutrality. So please, be green and feed the croc.